I saw someone reviewing the Dirt Busters one, which I assume is exactly the same, just the sticker's different, and they said it was very good. So I assume we're going to have the same experience.
They call me a god. They call me a god. They call me a god.
Right then, let's use a different cloth. Maybe not one that's the same colour. That'll confuse us. That's not fluffy enough. That one's got stuff on it. We shouldn't even be in there. They're Mickey ones. No, that's a non-fluffy one again. That's got stuff on it. Right, well let's use one of... I don't want to use one of these. I've got loads of them somewhere. I just want a cloth. I'll have to use another pink cloth. I need to get loads of different coloured ones. That's the way that professionals would do it. Now I need to get into this. Oh look. Oh dear, see how this goes. So, here we have the stuff. So, apply with the cloth in circular motions, buff with a dry cloth to finish. Really dry. So I can buff it, I can put it on with this one then. Let's do that, let's put it on with this one and buff it off with this one. Put it in the pocket. See what we get. I'm sure I read somewhere that you can leave it to soak in rather than buff it off straight away. So I think that might be a good plan. Seems I don't know when these have ever been treated, basically. I'm assuming it has some sort of cleaning ability as well because it's got some oil in it, so we've got a bit of stuff coming off, whatever that is. So that's one side, let's do it to the other side. See how we get on. I must say it's looking very lustrous. It's got a lust to it. Lust? Is that right? I quite evidently don't know what I'm saying half the time. Luster. It's got a luster to it. That's what I'm trying to think of. And then let's do that top middle so you can kind of see the difference at the moment before I buff it off. So let's do these bits. Oh, it's like that repair shop, but with normal things, not cuckoo clocks made of chocolate or a handbag that Marilyn Monroe's pet budgie had. Oh, too much. Oh, it still might be too much. That'd be better. I guess what we're also doing by doing circular motions is making sure we're getting into all the crevices. I also assume this will be easier to do on the seats because they're big and hold themselves still, rather than relying on me. So that's what we've got so far. So we've cleaned them with coconut shampoo and water and a spinny brush on a drill. We've dried them off. We've applied ignition transmission leather balm. Yeah, I'm sure there was somewhere where it said you can leave it on for a bit. Apparently it smells of sandalwood. I suppose it does a bit. Sandalwood and coconut though, I'm not sure. I'm not sure on that combination. So, yeah. Let's leave it for a few minutes and then I'll come back and buff it off and see what we look like. So I thought I'd just fetch the other headrest so we can do a bit of a comparison before I buff it off. So this one is the one we've cleaned, this is the old one. I think it's not a massive difference because they're not really that bad, but they did need a clean and this one definitely looks nicer. So we'll put that over there and we'll commence buffing. Put you back in the pocket. So yeah, there we go. I think that, to me, passes muster. I'm not sure on the sandalwood smell with the coconut. In fact, let's just smell it normally. This is the kind of level they don't go to with other how-to videos. To be honest, it's not that strong. You smell. It smells more waxy than sandalwood, I think. If I'm remembering sandalwood smell correctly. I think that looks good. Compared to the other one, we're cracking with that. I'll just do a quick comparison again. Old one that we've not done, new one that we have done. Yeah, definitely better. What I'm going to do, I'm going to put another couple on this another coat of waxy stuff on this, and then I'm going to wash and do the same on this one. And then I'll come back afterwards and you can have a look, see what they both look like in a bit. So here we are with the finished arty turds. This was the first one I did, this one was the second one I did, and I think they've come up quite well. I did 2 coats of balm on this one. The second coat I left for a while and it was a bit trickier to buff off, so I'd probably recommend, if you're doing more than 1 coat, put it on, wait a minute, 30 seconds, a minute, buff it off, put another one on. Do them in quick succession rather than leaving them. This one I've only put 1 on. They don't look that much different, to be honest. So I think I'm quite happy with that. I'm quite happy with how they've turned out. So yeah, I'd say that's a win. This stuff, again, I've only ever used this stuff and it seems to work, but any shampoo might work. It's just that this one, as I keep saying, it's got no sulfates in it and it's free of some stuff that I can't pronounce, phthalates or phthalates or something. So it's free of parabens, phthalates, oh I can't, I'm not starting that again, mineral oil, gluten and dyes, so it's kind of like quite pure. And then these things made it a million times easier, so you could still do it just with a normal brush, but it's 1,000 times easier with these helping you out, even if it's just to get into all the little seams where the threads are. Yeah, so definitely worth getting a set of them. I think they were like £8. You get this one, that one that's a size in between, and then one that's like got harder bristles on edge, and then with bristles. It's like Bullet Bob out of Mario. I think his name is Bullet Bob. But I'm going to use that one for wheels. So yeah. Oh, I've got a splinter in here. How have I managed to get a splinter? I'll have to sort that out. Annoying. Anyway, so thank you for watching. Hope this has been invaluable information. Obviously I'm going to use that same process to do the rest of the seat, so when I do that I'll probably do a video and do like a half-half comparison, or maybe I won't, because we kind of got a good comparison with these. I mean, these aren't these are quite comparable to how the rest of the seats are. The driver's and passenger seat, because they've been, I can't remember, it's been a long time since I saw them, I'm pretty sure one of them's more faded or dirty than one of these were. But if that comes up as well as this one, this was the second one I did, or was it that one? No, this one. If that comes up as well as this, then I'll be quite impressed. I don't think there'll be any need for re-dyeing them, basically. And these bits are, I'll probably just get some wet and dry on them and then blow them over with a bit of lacquer or something. So from me and my splinter, thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to click like, more importantly subscribe, more importantly share with your friends, and even more importantly share with your enemies. Bye.